Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the Tusk Spare Tire Carrier for the Can-Am Maverick X3. All right, so spare tire, definitely one of those must-have accessories. If you have a Can-Am Maverick X3 and you're looking to get one on there, well, the spare tire carrier from Tusk is a really good option. Great price point, your 1.5-inch steel powder-coated tubing, so super durable. And there's some features about it that I really like. So the first one's gonna be with mounting. So no drilling, no modifications required. It's a 3-point mounting system, so it's gonna mount up to your stock backbones as well as the roll cage. But what I like is that once you have it mounted up here, you can see you still have plenty of space underneath, so you can utilize the space in your bed if you want to store some additional items. You can fit up to a 32-inch tire. That's what we've tested on here. What I really like too is that the mounting position is actually adjustable for different offsets for different size rims. So what we recommend when you have this mounted up is you want to get as close as you can to this bar that goes across as possible. You don't want to be on it, but you want to have it as close as you can. That way the center of gravity is at its lowest point, and having that adjustable offset or the adjustability for different offsets is going to allow you to do that. So again, if you have a Can-Am Maverick X3, you want to get a spare tire on there, this one from Tusk is a really good option. If you guys do have any questions, you can leave your comments below. We will get those answered for you. To pick one up, it's real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. But do not forget, when you're at RockyMountainATVMC.com, we have a lot of cool aftermarket parts and accessories for the Can-Am Maverick X3. So make sure you check those out as well. If you guys like this little product spotlight, well, do not hesitate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that's going to keep you up to date and in the loop on the latest gear guides, product reviews like you saw today, as well as UTV builds that we're constantly doing. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.